What's up everyone, today I'm showing you BitBrowser Synchronizer feature. Basically a tool lets you control multiple browser profiles at once instead of doing the same thing over and over. Let's get into it. First let me quickly create a browser profile. I will use LinkedIn for this example. Click on browser profiles and then hit add button to add a new one. For the profile name, I'm setting this to LinkedIn. Now pick your browser. I will go with Chrome. Then select your operating system and device type. I'm keeping the rest on the default settings because BitBrowser automatically configures everything else for the best results. Now for the proxy, I'm using proxy seller for this setup. They are reliable and I have been using them for months. Under proxy section, select custom method. Just enter your proxy host port, username and password. Click the test button to make sure it is working. Perfect. Now click ship and the profile is ready. Now to run the synchronizer properly, you actually need multiple profiles. So I'm going to create 5 more profiles using different proxy locations. Same process, just different proxies each time. I'm not showing that on the screen because it's literally the same step repeated. But just know you need at least 4 to 6 profiles to use the synchronizer effectively. By the way, I have a 15% discount code for proxy seller that I will share at the end, so stick around for that. Now let's create a cloud phone profile. Go to phone profiles and click add. I will name this one Facebook US. Select your Android version. I will go with Android 15. The proxy setup is exactly same as what we just did with the browser profile. So I'm not going to repeat that process. Just fill in your proxy details the same way. Test the connection and you are good to go. Keep the fingerprint settings on default and click confirm. Same thing here. I am creating a few more cloud phone profiles with the different proxies so we can demonstrate the synchronizer working with multiple mobile windows. Same repetitive process, so I'm skipping showing that part. And if you want a full detailed tutorial on setting up browser profiles or cloud phones, I have separate videos for those linked in the description. Check those out if you need more help. Alright, now here's where it gets interesting. The synchronizer. Basically, this feature lets you control multiple browser profiles at the same time from one main window. Whatever you click, type or do in that main window gets copied to all other windows instantly. This is really helpful if you are managing multiple accounts and need to do the same actions on all of them, like filling out forms, checking messages or posting content. Instead of switching between windows and doing everything manually, you just do it once. Let me show you how it works. First, open the browser profiles you want to use. I am opening 6 profiles here. Just click launch on each one. Remember, each window is a complete separate profile with its own fingerprint and proxy, so your account stays safe and look like different users. Once your windows are open, go to dashboard and select on BitBrowser Synchronizer system to launch the synchronizer. Now click refresh to see all your active profiles, then move them to the control list. To organize your workspace, click the lattice button. This arranges all your windows into a grid so you can see everything at once. Pretty clean, right? Now here's the important part. Right click on the window you want to use as your main control. I will use this one and set it as master control. This is the window you will actually work from. Once that's set, click start sync. Now watch, whatever I do in this main window happens in all other windows at the same time. Let me open LinkedIn here. See that all 6 windows open LinkedIn together. If I search for something, it searches in all windows. If I scroll, they all scroll. You can even use the text synchronization tool to type different information into each window if you need to. This makes batch tasks way faster, whether you are registering accounts, posting content, or managing multiple profiles. Pretty straightforward, and it saves a ton of time when you are working with multiple accounts. Alright, now for the good part. I have free cloud phone vouchers to give you. So here's how to claim them. First, download BitBrowser using my link in the description. You will get a discount when you do. Once you have installed it and logged in, go to cost control on your dashboard, then click on coupon at the top. Select cloud phone trial credit, enter the voucher code I am putting in the description and click exchange. And the credit gets added to your account right away. You can start using cloud phone immediately without paying anything upfront. This code is limited though, so grab it while it's still available. So that's BitBrowser Synchronizer in action. If you're managing multiple accounts and tired of doing everything manually, this actually helps. Use my link in the description to download BitBrowser and redeem your free voucher. You will also find my 15% off code for proxy seller there if you need good proxies for your setup. If this was helpful, hit the like button and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.